Hey, to synchronize all of data of your Redmi Watch 4 and your smartphone, as you can see, you will have to actually grant this permission for the Mi Fitness application. And let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, when you click on this turn on button, you can actually find the permission instruction. So where you have to actually go, when you pick your phone, right here we can pick the Xiaomi phone, Huawei, Oppo. Let's select, for example, the Xiaomi, and here we can find the step-by-step instruction. But I'm gonna show you how it actually works. So all you have to do basically is just to go into the settings, and then on your settings you will have to actually find apps section. So in my case, on the Samsung smartphone, it actually appears just right here between the device care and the general management. So click here, and now from this you will have to scroll down and go for the Mi Fitness application, then go below, go into the battery and select unrestricted. Basically remove this restricted or optimized mode, and after this, when you go back, you can actually find that you will get all of this synchronized stuff. And additionally, you can click on the synchronize button to sync all of the data between your devices. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.